Gypsy here, and today, guys, there's a thunderstorm in Dubai, guys. We live in Dubai.
Yeah.
We can't tell you actually our home address because of that, so we cannot do that.
Yeah. We cannot even show you it because
All we can just tell you is that we live in Dubai. But anyway, guys, a thunderstorm is literally happening outside Dubai, and it's insane, guys.
But guys, if you want us to come to your house, you don't tell us your address or anything. We cannot come to your house. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, because YouTubers do not leak their addresses.
Yeah.
So we'll not leak our address, okay, Amna? Do not tell anyone where we live.
Well,
Like in YouTube videos, but like in real life we can, but when we're recording, no.
But we live in Dubai, guys.
You cannot leak our address. We're making a thunderstorm in Dubai. It's insane. Right now, there's
This morning, thunder is so loud.
I didn't even hear thunder.
I didn't
You're
even
still
hear.
sleeping.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Wow, both of you are
Oh my
still
God, guys!
sleeping.
Did you just see that? It was insane.
Please hold proper your iPad. It's too shaky.
Yeah, and even
Guys,
actually,
look.
Harsh,
See, guys.
Harsh, I
Okay.
think you should not hold it here because you might be clumsy and drop it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't
Guys,
hold it
let's
here.
just see where a thunderstorm is. Oh, there was right there.
Oh, there.
And guys, make sure to go subscribe to Sufyan123. Did I already say go subscribe to Sufyan123?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah. So guys, if I'm ready, I think I didn't say this, guys. Okay, so make sure to go and subscribe to Sufyan123.
He's your cousin.
Yeah, he has a YouTube channel. He has 3 videos. Oh my God,
Alright.
3 videos.
Scared me.
3 videos, and I'm in 2 of his videos, and yeah, make sure to go subscribe to him. Link will be in the description, guys. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and yeah,
Bye.
bye. Bye, kitty ears. Say
Bye. I saw one right there, but it happened right there, but you didn't see it. No, it was there, right in that corner.
okay.
I
But anyway,
saw
guys,
that, you didn't see it.
peace.
Peace out.